A passenger plane with 22 people on board went missing in Nepal on Sunday, the operating airline and officials said, as per the hampered search operation. The Twin Otter aircraft from the western town of Pokhara bound for Jomsom, but air traffic control lost contact after 15 minutes. There were 19 passengers on board and 3 crew members. The passengers included 2 Germans and 4 Indians, with the said spokesman for Tara Air. A spokesman at the Ministry of Home Affairs said 2 helicopters had been deployed for a search operation, but he said visibility was low. Nepal's aviation industry has long been plagued by poor safety due to insufficient training and maintenance. The European Union has banned all Nepali airlines from its airspace over safety concerns.